Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic.
Hi friends, this is Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Could you please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and share my videos to your friends and relations. Today we can discuss how to create basic Java program. First I am using Eclipse IDE. So many IDEs is there. I am using Eclipse IDE. How to create sample basic Java program in Eclipse IDE, how to run the program. First, we can create the sample project. In this Eclipse IDE, first you can go to Files, click Files. Here select New option. In this new option, you can select Java project. Here we can give project name. I am giving sample demo. Project name is sample demo. Click next button. Now click finish button. Here don't create any module information. No need to create module information. That's why you can create don't create. Okay. Now project is created. Now click expand. Click this button. This is expanding. Here two types is there. One is Jari system libraries. This is Java runtime environment system libraries is available in this folder. Here src means source folder. In the source folder you can create packages. Inside packages we can create different type of classes, different type of interfaces, different type of abstract classes. That means uh, related to all Java classes we should create inside the packages only. In the source folder you can create multiple packages. You can create so many type of packages. How many packages we want, we can create that much of packages. Now, first you can create packages. You can right click the src folder. You can select new. Inside new, you can create. You can select the package. You can select the package. Click package. Here give com.jst. com.jst. Click finish. Now here package is created. Now we can create. Now next step is create the class. How to create the class means first you can create. You can click right click in this package, select new folder, go to class, select class, click here. Here you can give. I am giving sample sample example. Giving sample example. Click finish button. See here, sample class is created inside com.js package. A com.js package where is available inside src. In src folder where is available inside sample demo project. Now here create main method. Every program, every program have main method. That's why here create main method. Main, type main, click control space. Click control space. Here displaying so many main methods. You can select first main method. See, this one. Now you can display the simple sentence. How to display the simple sentence? You can type SOS out control space. It will display system.out.println. This is main for displaying the data. Which data we need to display? We can use system.out.println. Here inside brackets, put double quotations. Here, right? Sample Java program in a Jaladhi Soft Technology Channel. See, now I will explain one by one. Here, this is a class name. Sample example is a class name. That's why how this is finding class name before you mention class. That's why this is a class name. Why public are mentioned? Public why mentioned means we can access in sample example class. We can access anywhere in the project, anywhere in the project. That's why you can mention public. Next, main method. Main method is a normal method, but why these are creating Java mainly based on objects? Java is working. Everybody know. That's why here public means we can access anywhere inside the project. That's why you can use static means no need to create object. Without object, we can access the method based on class. That's why you can create static. Void means no return type. Main method should not return anything. That's why here we can use void method. Main method is a this is a normal method name. All method names are created like that. Main is a method. String arguments. Java should take only string type, not integer, not float, not double. You can give integer type also that is converting internally string format. That's why here mention string arguments. This is a sample Java example. Now run the application. Right click, select run as, select Java application. See, we can see here inside console, we can display save output here. That's why here this is a basic Java application. This is a basic Java application. Anyone, any doubts or anything, just comment below my video. I will explain. I will take new video. I will explain in depth. I will explain in depth. Could you please subscribe my channel? Could you please click the bell icon? Could you please share my videos to your friends and relations? Share the video, your relatives or your friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much viewing my video. Could you please comment and ask any doubts or anything? Could you please subscribe, click the bell icon, and share my videos? Thank you, friends. Thank you so much.
If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box? Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.